It's an exciting morning for us. We are commissioning our new Tesla solar roof and span circuit breaker panels and getting all of this stuff working, generating power and storing it in the Tesla power walls. In addition to being a fleet pilot for the Navy, I was an instructor pilot and a test pilot, and I was an aerospace engineer. And so my background is in engineering with a specialty in avionics and electrical engineering. And so we've lived in Northern Virginia for over 20 years, and in the area where we are, we lose power quite often, and it takes a while to get the power restored. And we are looking forward to the point where we're generating power ourselves. We're less dependent on the power grid. We're able to have the storage capability to both lessen the demand, our demand on the power grid, as well as help us when the power goes off. Where we live, we have a well for the water, and so when we lose power, we lose the well, we lose our heat pumps, we lose all refrigerator, everything that goes along with that. So we have 2 power walls, 2 expansion panels for each of those. So it's a total of 6 batteries for storage. We have 2 span panels, if I didn't mention that. So it's really 2 systems of a span panel, power wall, and 2 expansion packs. We were talking about the fragility of our electrical grid and all the reasons why we would have a Tesla solar roof, and decided, since we have to replace the roof anyway, we'll get some federal tax credits for installing Tesla solar roof. My wife did research on the internet and found American Home Contractors as an installer of the Tesla solar roof, and we contacted American Home Contractors and have found the experience to be easy and pleasant ever since then. We quickly were able to get an estimate based on the size of our roof, the complexity of the roof, power generation. American Home Contractors replaced our roof, did a great job with that. Then we were able to get the electrical system installed, and as I said, after a long waiting period, now today is the day we're hooking up with the see. So as an engineer, really looking forward to being able to use the Tesla app as well as the SPAN app to monitor and control the system and decide which circuits should be active, which should not be active, and maximize our power availability, or said another way, minimize our non-essential power use when we lose power in the area. Long term, I'd like to see it pay for itself over a period of time. That's not our primary objective. Our primary objective, as I said, is to be able to live comfortably when we lose power in the area. But if we can see the system pay for itself, that'll be even better. So I would absolutely recommend American Home Contractors to do this work. They provide a turnkey solution for installation and hookup and commissioning. Oh, to complete my bar set, yeah. Lord knows we need more liquor and bar equipment. Oh yeah, very cool. I'm liking that. Since I hear alcohol sloshing around in there, I assume it's a bottle of something with a Tesla logo on it.